Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Subhasni Misra. How are you all? I hope you all will be very good and doing great. Today I am going to talk about my daily routine in English. If you are a beginner, then this video will really help you. Please stay connected till the end of the video. My daily routine is I wake up early in the morning at around 6 o'clock. First, I brush my teeth and wash my face. After that, I drink a glass of water and make tea for my family. Then I clean my room and start my kitchen work. I prepare breakfast for everyone. Sometimes I make tea, paratha, bread or poha. After breakfast, I help my children get ready for school. Then I also complete household work like cleaning, washing clothes and arranging things properly. Then I take a bath and get ready for the day. In the afternoon, I cook lunch for my family, and after lunch, I take some rest for a short time. Sometimes I watch learning English videos and practice speaking English because I want to improve my fluency and pronunciation. I love learning new English words every day because the vocabulary is most important in English. In the evening, I spend time with my family and I help my children with their studies. Then I make dinner for my family and we eat dinner together and talk about our day. At night, I read some English books and prepare ideas for my videos. I enjoy making English speaking videos because teaching and learning English make me happy. Finally, I go to bed at around 10 or 11 o'clock. This is my daily routine. That's all for today. Thank you for watching and listening. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe and comment too. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe so that keep getting such videos. Thank you for watching. Keep learning, keep growing, stay happy and blessed. See you in the next video.